watching this video lecture about World War II, you will be able to analyze the World War II. Realities of World War II. World War II started in 1939 and ended in 1945. World War II is called or known as Total War. The belligerents of World War II are Allied powers and Axis powers. Allied powers are UK, US, France, USSR, China, Poland, Yugoslavia and Greece. And Axis powers are Nazi Germany, Italy and Japan. There are numerous causes of World War II, but some are following. Rise of military in Germany and Japan, unjust treaty of Versailles, and failure of LON, and isolation policy of USA, and appeasement policies of Europe, and the rise of Hitler, National Socialist German Workers' Party, and the anti-Jewish policies of Hitler, the Holocaust, and the Marxist policies of Europe, Sino-Japan War, Japan invaded Western colonies, Great Depression, 14 unequal participation in LON. Occupation in Europe by Germany and Asia, by Japan, Germany invasion. UK and France signed Munich Agreement in 1938. Germany occupied in a part of Czechoslovakia and then Austria and then in Poland. And Germany and the USSR signed Munich motto of flag. Fact, Germany attacked on USSR, which was blunder. The USSR defeated Napoleon and Hitler due to geography. Hitler was killed and German troops were surrendered. Japan invaded Asian countries and Western colonies, Guam, Philippines, Indonesia and Burma. USA imposed embargoes on Japan, and Japan attacked on Pearl Harbor and killed 2,500 US troops. And then USA joined Allied powers. Details said to be the need of World War II. And then the USA dropped little boy on Hiroshima on 6 August 1945, and then after 3 days, 9 August 1945, USA dropped settlement. Aftermath of World War II, first is Germany divided into two blocks, USSR and US, UK and France. Korea divided into two blocks, USA and USSR, and then creation of United Nations, and British lost the status of superpower. Israel, Palestine started conflicted, and the world order changed from multipolarity world order to bipolarity world order. In a nutshell, USA and USSR only the sole superpowers of the world.